What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today I installed some of the mods on this bike. We got full exhaust system, we got fender eliminator, we got the windscreen and the frame slider installed. So let's go for a ride and see how the bike sounds and ride. I haven't ride a super sports riding position for a long time. This thing reminds me of the Yamaha R6 I rode a couple years back. Very aggressive riding position. Definitely sounds nice. Gonna do a quick stop so we can go over the modification that we have done on this. Ride's very nice and sporty. Suspension feels nice. I'm sure this is not the bike that you can ride for hours, but definitely a good track bike for a beginner. Let me stop here and then go over some. And the exhaust sounds very nice. Somebody is sleeping here, so I don't want to disturb. This is the 2024 Yamaha R7. A very good looking bike. It reminds me of the Yamaha R6. The mods we got today is the frame slider, we got the fender eliminator, so we have those rage cycles. Look at the indicators, they're pretty nice. So you pretty much eliminate the whole piece hanging up to here, and then these turn signals on the side. And the Yamaha ones are OEM LEDs. Looks good. Daytime running lights looks good. It has one single LED headlights with the high and lows, and he also got the puge, whatever that is called, the windscreen, fully blacked out. Oh, the bike looks good. Sounds good. So the bike sounds really good. With the exhaust, looks good too. Very nice. Full exhaust Yoshimura. Sounds very nice. Alright, let's go for a quick ride. So the sitting position, man. I have 32-inch inseam. The height is very good. I can flat foot. Very nice. But it's just a very, very sporty position. As you can see, the triple tree underneath the thing right here. So it's very low. Wish they had those screen like a TFT like the new MTO 9 has. It would have been nice. Since it's 2024, they haven't updated that. since that bike is launched, still the same. All right, let's go for a ride. Can hear the backfire. The bike isn't quiet anymore. Not quiet at all. Very nice sound. Look like the kids are trying to take the picture of the train or video. All right, let's see. Suspension feels very nice actually. It's not too rough or not too soft, it's just right. Wow, the bike sounds great. Very sporty position. Haven't ride that aggressive position bikes for a very long time. Very smooth power delivery. By the way, the bike is not tuned, and definitely it's recommended when you have a bike that is full exhaust installed. Get it tuned to get the bike run properly. So far the bike is running good. No check engine light. I was able to put back the O2 sensor back in. Yep, it's like riding a slow bike faster. Sounds nice. I don't know if this truck is gonna run over me or something. This bike has a quick shifter ready wiring. You just have to buy the shift sensor, the shift rod, OEM accessories, and once you install that, quick shifter, I think up and down, I believe, so it's about $200 or something. It's good to have a quick shifter. I'm so used to a quick shifter, so it feels different shifting without a quick shifter, but his bike shifts very smooth. This bike used to sound like a lawnmower. Now it sounds like a proper bike. Man, it sounds nice. has a really nice low end torque. Very much rides like a MT-07. I know my MT-07 has full exhaust, no tune as well. I'm not sure the gearing. I have to ride that back to back. Maybe this bike has a little bit of taller gearing than the MT-07 does. Very, very sporty. Wow. Wow, it turns very nicely, very nimble. Alright guys, this would be it for this video. Just wanted to come out and do a quick ride after installing and doing all the modification. So that's it for now. The bike looks good, rides nice, sounds good. And I should ride my MT-07 and do a quick video on that. It's been so long. Made a video on that bike. So riding back to back will give me more idea like how the gearing is. But anyways, this is it for now, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching Solo MC Rider. Peace out.